How did you go, Jenny? You just completed these 2 stunning paintings in 4 days and 1 evening, and you're usually a maths teacher. How did you go?
Well, I've been wanting to do this for quite a few years, and it's just been such a great experience getting here eventually. And Jack, you've been amazing as a tutor. All the group loved your method, and it made it really achievable for those of us that hadn't really done any painting before.
Wow.
And one of the things that was really helpful was our brush license, paintbrush license at the start, so that we actually learnt some technique of blending, and then when we got onto the colour on our paintings, you were really helpful in showing us how to blend exciting colours that we wouldn't even think were in those shapes, like blue in my pears, aqua, very
beautiful.
exciting.
Well, you've done an awesome job, and so do you think that this is going to disrupt your mathematical precision in future?
I think it'll add to it. How can colour be detrimental? I've always loved colour, and I always love to be creative with my maths, but this will add an extra dimension, especially on weekends.
Yeah, they do say that maths is creative.
Absolutely.
Well done, Jen. It's been an absolute pleasure. I hope to get to work with you in the future. Well, I know we're doing something together, so that's cool.
Yeah.
So that's really great. Thank you so much.
That's
it's been
pleasure.
Awesome.
Yeah, thanks, Jack. You've been an amazing mentor for us all. Thank you.
Thank you. And I would also like to take my hat off to you about how independently you created this, following the Bloom's painting method, that you just whipped it up. I think I showed you one petal and you're off and running. Yeah. Unbelievable for someone who hasn't painted before. And this little guy, you learned heaps too, and he's beautiful as well. Well done.
Thanks very much, Jacqueline.